about philosophy of the beautiful and art appreciation. So, group members, Lutang Jonamain, Kagol Prizel, Sugalang Shirley, Mahayong Sherry Ann, Tahadlangit Theater. But before we start in our discussions, we have a questions for the audience. So, for you, what is beauty? So, beauty is when one's perspective is perfection in terms of symmetry and balance. When something is pleasurable and exudes happiness, according to Ang 2018. So, beauty can be understood in different ways. For some people, beauty depends on personal perspectives. What looks pleasing, balanced, and harmonious. When something is beautiful, it often brings happiness and a sense of satisfaction. So, Plato created beauty with a sublime identity with good, while Aristotle considered beauty as symmetry, proportion, and organic order of parts into unified whole. Philosophers have different views about beauty. Plato believed that beauty is closely related to goodness and moral perfection. On the other hand, Aristotle believed that beauty comes from symmetry, proportion, and order, where all parts work together to form a complete whole. So indeed, man, woman, aspires for perfection. She has a natural tendency to contemplate and enjoy perfect and beautiful things. So human being naturally seek perfection and are drawn to beautiful things. People enjoy beauty because it gives pleasure and helps them appreciate what is good and meaningful in life. So according to Zaletta 2006, that beautiful things are things in order, things with precision, purpose, and proportion. Likewise, there are no mistakes in beautiful things. Everything is appropriate, interesting, relevant, and perfect. So according to Zaletta, beautiful things are organized, precise, and purposeful. Everything in a beautiful work has a reason. Nothing is out of place. Because of this, beauty is not only pleasing to the eyes but also meaningful and relevant. So, in fact, everything that is beautiful is also meaningful and relevant and must be understood by the public. Beauty must impress our imagination and affect our lives and art. The things which do not make sense are eliminated. Men, women, and even the LGBT group need and respect the experience of the beautiful to free themselves from their anxieties, worries, passions, fatigues, passions, and sorrows. Human existence takes on a significant dimension when it is cleansed or absorbed experiences by the influence of art. So beauty especially through art has a strong effect on people. It helps individuals, men, women, and people of different identities release stress, worries, and emotional burdens. Through the influence of art and beauty, human life becomes richer, more meaningful, and emotionally balanced.
Go.
On the different view of beauty, Ferrara presents 2008. The different view on beauty is attributed to the many expectations of man, including the standards found in her or his culture and those that most be fulfilled within his culture. Others are of the opinion that this divergence largely depends on the philosophy held by man, women, or LGBT, which shapes their mental attitude affecting his or her views on life. Ferraro explains that beauty is also influenced by a person's philosophy or beliefs, a person's way of thinking, whether man, woman, or LGBT, shapes their mindset and attitude towards life. Because people think differently and experience life differently, they also see beauty differently. Zolretta 2006 contends that beauty also increases the love for natural and artificial objects and the knowledge of our cultural heritage. Zolretta 2006 explains that beauty helps people develop a greater appreciation and love for both natural and man-made things. When we see beauty in nature, like mountains, flowers, oceans, we learn to value and protect the environment. When we see beauty in artificial objects like buildings, paintings, sculpture, and technology, we appreciate human creativity and effort. Beauty also helps us understand and value our cultural heritage or traditional history, artwork, and cultural passed down from previous generations. On philosophy of the beautiful, philosophy refers to system aimed at giving man, women, LGBT, guiding them by proper ways on how to conduct his practical affairs in life, especially to those that are ethically acceptable in his society. The philosophy of the beautiful means that philosophy helps guide people, whether man, woman, or LGBT, on how to live their lives properly. Philosophy gives man, woman, and LGBT some basic guidelines on how he or she could relate accordingly with his creator, God, government, environment, nature, and society, community. Philosophy provides people, whether man, woman, or LGBT, with basic rule or guidelines on how to live and interact properly with the important aspect of life. Creator, how to respect and relate spiritually. Government, how to follow laws and be a personable citizen. Environment, how to care for and protect nature. Society, how to live well with other people and contribute positively. Philosophical concepts. Number 1, pragmatism, also called practicalism, is a contemporary doctrine that denotes the tendency of man or woman to subordinate his or her logical thinking to ends of practical living. Pragmatic or practicalism is a way of thinking whether a person, whether man or woman, focuses on what is useful and practical in daily life. Example, the student focuses on what actually works in real life, not just theory.
Go.
Number 2, existentialism is a term based on a concept that an individual is entirely free, independent to make decisions and accept commitment of free responsibility for these decisions and actions in this uncertain world. Existentialism is a philosophy that says each person, whether man, woman, or LGBT, is completely free to make their own choice in life. Man's, woman's, and LGBT's views of beautiful. Number 1, a thing or idea is beautiful if it will satisfy his or her practical needs in life. A person's view of beauty, whether man, woman, or LGBT, can be based on practicality. This means that something is considered beautiful not just because it looks good, but because it serves purpose or satisfies a need in daily life. For example, his or her personal freedom and his or her consequent responsibilities for what he does for his or her life to have meaning is beautiful.